Right, this is the second part of the video, so welcome back. So we're in the van now, as you can see. Got the keys, and there's no key in the ignition, and that's what the immobiliser is doing. It's just occasional beep, which is normal. Let's try put the key in to position 2, and that is the beep, 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 and it won't start. I mean, you'll try and start it, but it won't.
We'll try this squeezing in thing. So it's on position 2 now. So
Yeah.
it's just to go back to what?
You squeeze the, we'll try this trick other people do. So it's in position 2, you press the central locking button,
Pressed.
go down to 1, back to 2, keep it in and let go. Yeah, see, it doesn't
work. Yeah. Just if it turns over, you can hear it.
We won't bother because it won't start.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
it just won't start.
Battery needs a charge actually by the sounds of it. So there we go. Now we've got to remove this cover underneath. We'll do something with this and plug something in.
Looks like it's here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a look. We'll come back to that in a minute, but it's the side that, looking at the instructions, this bit here's got to come off where the key goes in.
This.
Yeah, it looks like there's a screw under there to take out. We'll come back to you in a minute with this. Yeah. Okay.